This video is going to show you the steps on how you can turn on or enable the camera button on your iPhone 17 and 17 Pro, but this will also work on the 16 and 16 Pro iPhones as well because they too have the camera control button. But before we start with this video, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing for more similar videos like this one. So the camera button is located at the right side of our iPhone, right under the power or lock button. It's enabled for me, so when I click on this button, it's going to open my camera app instantly. And if I click once again, it's going to snap a photo. It's pretty convenient because you can open your camera app from anywhere on your iPhone. It doesn't matter which app you're in. So in order for you to enable this button, all you need to do is to open the Settings app on your iPhone and then go over to the Accessibility section. For some reason, they didn't put the camera control option in the camera settings, but it's located in the Accessibility section of the Settings app. You'll want to scroll a bit down until you see this camera control option right here, and just make sure that this is enabled. We also have the ability to change the sensitivity of the button, the pressing speed, and all that other stuff. So take your time and customize this to your liking. But once we enable the camera button in the settings, we can start using it right away. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.